Tapos na tayo, bro.
Yeah, thank you kuya.
Yeah. Tinisan lang natin yung likod. Okay, wait lang. Always ka talagang pumunta
Ganda.
dito sa shop. Yeah, it's good. So, by the way, congratulations pala sa business natin. Wow, that's good, that's
Thank
good,
you,
that's
thank
good.
you.
So, guys, si James pala, gumagawa siya ng customized cakes. Nasaan yung address nun, bro?
Sa may Little Italy, 57 Rue St. Zotique.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, anong pangalan ng shop natin, brother?
Yung pangalan is Patisserie des Arts.
Wow!
Yeah.
Check it out, guys! And, nag-order na rin ako ng cake sa kanya doon. And I'm telling you guys, it's really good.
Yeah.
Sulit talaga. Very
Come
nice.
visit, yes.
Thank you so much ha,
Thank
for
you,
always
thank
supporting
you.
our business here. Sa mga Filipino entrepreneurs dyan, mabuhay tayong lahat, guys. And keep supporting local businesses. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.